Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abiba. I film about lifestyle, travel and motherhood. In this video, I'm going to be packing my hospital bag, so let's do it together. So this is my first baby. I've never had to pack a hospital bag before. So I've just had to learn all of this. So I've had to check the NHS website, done a few research to actually see what needs to go in the bag, and also spoken to my midwife as well, because right now I'm currently 37 weeks and 4 days pregnant. So, and I don't want to pack too much because from my experience as a bedside nurse, the bays are quite small. I don't want to pack my bedside, putting like unnecessary things that I don't even need. So if I need anything from home or I've forgotten something, my husband could always come back home because the hospital is just 15 minutes away. So that's what you should also keep in mind as well. The bays are quite small. Trust me, you don't want people barging into your stuff. So you need enough space for the baby and yourself in a tiny bay. So yeah. So I'll be starting with the baby clothes. I'll be packing 4 vests, 4 hats, 4 bodysuits, 4 pairs of socks and mittens, 4 bibs and 2 swaddles. Like I said, if I do need anything extra, we only live 15 minutes away from the hospital and I can get things brought to me. And that's the baby clothing done. The next thing is like a baby diaper bag. So I'm packing 15 diapers, 1 pack of water wipes, 2 muslin sheets, baby diaper cream and a baby changing mat. So that's it for the baby diaper bag. So up next, I'll be packing 1 blanket and 1 baby sleeping bag. And that's it, done. Up next is the mommy bag. So I've got a button down PJ, a zipper hoodie, 1 loose dress, another button down PJ, set of black underwear, 2 nursing bras and a nipple cream. And this is it all packed. So the next would be my postpartum bag. I actually bought the postpartum kit from Freedom Mom, and from that I'll be taking the Freedom Mom cold pads. I'll be taking 4 of those. I'll be taking the Freedom Mom pad liner. I'll be taking 4 disposable underwears which came with the pack as well, the peri bottle and the perineal foam. And that's ready to go. So up next is a bunch of other stuff, other extras like I call them, that I'll be taking with me. First is the toiletry bag, which would include the toothpaste, the toothbrush, your shampoo and etc. And the TENS machine for pain, that's very important. I've seen a lot of reviews, people saying they were like 8 centimeters dilated before they actually got to the hospital thanks to the TENS machine. So I've got one. It was very expensive. And I've got a fan as well because birthing is going to be hot because, yeah, in labor. I like this fan in particular because it can actually stand on its own and it's got 3 different settings. And I've been using it for a while now, so it's good. You need your water bottle because you need to stay hydrated. I've got my iPad to watch some series if the pain is not too much. Fingers crossed, hopefully. I've got my charger and I also have my power bank solely because, like I said, from my experience as being a bedside nurse, the plug is always too far from the bed, so it can be a bit tricky. So I had to bring my power bank, or if you have a very long cable, that's good as well. And also I've got my slippers, so that's all I have in my extras. So in case you're wondering about my packing cubes, I got them from Amazon, and if you'd like to get one, I can link them down in my description box. It's really good as it made my packing really easy and compact and very clean. I really like it a lot. So guys, that's the end of my video today. Thanks for packing my hospital bag with me. If you think I've missed anything, please drop a comment in the comment section. If you do have any friends or family who is currently pregnant, please make sure you send them this video so they can watch, and also share and subscribe. Encourage me to make more videos like this by liking, sharing and subscribing. Again, please, I'm new on YouTube, so hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.